Tired of repetitive tasks? The first step to automating them is getting your account ready. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for n8n, a powerful automation tool. No installation needed. It all happens right in your web browser. In just a few minutes, your account will be set up and ready for your first project. Before we start, please hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, ask in the comments or find me on LinkedIn. Okay, first things first. Open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, just type in n8n. Hit enter, and you'll see the search results. We're going to click on the very first link, the official one from n8n.io for AI Workflow Automation. Let's go! And here we are on the n8n homepage. This is where the magic begins. I'll just accept the cookies here. Perfect. Right away, you can see it's built for flexible AI workflow automation. This tool is a game changer. Now, as we scroll, look at these examples. You can build workflows for IT ops, like onboarding new employees, for security, for developers, and even for sales. Don't worry if this looks complex. n8n has amazing templates and makes it super easy to start, even if you're a complete beginner. Ready to jump in? Let's go to the top right corner and click that big orange Get Started button. This will take us straight to the sign up page. Now, the best part? n8n gives you a free 14-day trial to test out everything. No credit card needed, just pure exploration. We just need to fill out some basic details here. I'll put in my full name, a company or personal email, create a strong password. And this part is important, the account name. This will become your unique URL, so pick something simple that you'll remember. Once you've filled everything out, just click the big blue button to start free 14-day trial. Awesome. Now, n8n will ask a few quick questions to help customize your experience. This just helps them point you to the right templates and resources. What is the size of your company? I'll go with 20 to 99. What team are you on? Let's select engineering. What best describes your company? I'll pick education for this one. Which of these do you feel comfortable doing? I'm comfortable with configuring API authentication, so let's check that. And finally, how did you hear about n8n? We'll say through a friend/word of mouth. Once that's all done, just hit OK. And just like that, our workspace is ready. How easy was that? We'll skip inviting teammates for now. Let's hit that Start Automating button and get to the fun part. And here we are. Welcome to your official n8n dashboard. This is your command center. You can see an overview of your workflows, manage your credentials for connecting to other apps, and more. To get started, you can either build from scratch or use an AI agent example. But today, we're going to click the Create Workflow button in the top right. This blank space is the n8n canvas, and this is where you will build all of your amazing automations. Every workflow starts with a trigger. When you click to add your first step, it asks, what triggers this workflow? It could be a manual click, a schedule, or an event happening in another app, like a new email in Gmail or a new message in Slack. And there you have it. You've successfully created your n8n account and are ready to start building. It's that simple. In my next video, we'll build our very first workflow together. I know that feeling of wanting to create something right away, so I don't want to make you wait. I already have a complete tutorial on building a powerful email automation ready for you. Just click the link in the description below to start your first real project right now. Creating these videos is my passion, and your support is what fuels it. Every like, every comment, and every new subscriber is a signal to me that I'm helping you learn and grow. It honestly means more than you know. So if this video helped you today, please show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing. Thank you for being here. I can't wait to see what you create. See you in the next video.